poling across crystal clear flats, hunting the elusive bonefish, the silver bullet. That is by far my favorite way to fish. Now this weekend was a struggle. It was blowing 25 miles per hour plus. But we got it done and was down in the Florida Keys for 2 days hunting bonefish. So join us and watch this epic video. Alrighty guys, what's up? We are down in the Florida Keys. We got here a little late, but we are here. And we are on a bonefish mission. Bonefish and tarpon. So, and snapper, whatever bites, permit. So, but we're here. We got our camper. It's pretty dope. Boat pulled up to it, ready to rock. Boat ramp at our campsite. He's slinging some feathers at some giant snapper and tarpon over there. But yeah, down in the Florida Keys, gonna get it done for you guys. This is gonna be a banger of a trip. This is our dope little RV. Really good price. Directly on the water, all the way down here in the Florida Keys. So we are down in Key West. Cheers to that. Cheers to a good weekend. Just smashed probably like this 15-inch snapper. He coughed up a chicken bone because people are feeding him off the docks. Fat Maggie Dangy. Rigging up, getting ready for the morning. Alrighty guys, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Well, we started the morning off with a great breakfast at the marina on the water, but our night didn't go as good. Trey locked the keys in the camper and we were out of it. He's back there. Look at his mouth. Look at him back there, that's the culprit. But yeah, so the Chevy ended up being our bed last night. We slept in here, but hey,
I said I'm not
there's nothing but laughs. Nothing but laughs this time.
Grabbing the OJ.
Grabbing the OJ.
R.I.P. OJ.
We got our little private boat ramp here though, but it is definitely blowing easily over 20 miles an hour. So we're gonna see what we can make happen. We'll see it.
They look in the water. They don't even look big.
No, that one looked huge. The water's going in too. I don't know if anybody's ever going through here, bro. Just spread the leaves for us the whole time we go through. You gotta go through tight things to make magic happen, y'all. You're gonna kind of just pull us through at this point. I'm not. It's.
What are we stuck on now?
Nothing. tray isn't steering us that good, and now I'm right in Spiderville. Might die, bro. You know what I mean? It'd be sick to wade.
About time. Are you fucking blind?
Bonefish heaven. Seen one giant. Studley McGee. But I think we're about to take a lunch break and get back in these little creeks. Yeah, he was a monster. Is that a big cuda or a shark?
Where?
Like directly in front of
Dude, that's a monster cuda.
He's looking at mine and then he's looking at
Oh, he turned a little bit. It's a big boy. That thing would destroy a bonefish. Hold up, me. Dude, that cuda is so thick, man.
Oh, that's a bone. That's a bone. Big bone. Right in front of you.
Yep.
Right in front of you. He's already spooked. That was the same bone, I think.
Nah, that one's way smaller. Way smaller. Still right there. He slowed down. He slowed all the way down. I still see him. Oh, I could reach him. Another bony, bro.
There's no way there's just one bone down this whole bank. There's gonna be more.
Bone right here. Just spooked. Nope. Two bones.
Oh,
Right there. Nope. Just spooked. Oh shit, I should have left it. They just followed it. Good cast. Got him. Got him, dude. I got him. Got him, dude. He's fucking flying. Oh my goodness, man. Oh my goodness, bro.
You're so close to doubling. Are you recording?
Listen to that. Am I recording? Am I recording? I think I am.
Are you?
Oh my god.
Yep, you are.
Oh my goodness. He's not huge. Christian, there's another one behind him. Oh my god. No, there was another one right. He was just right here. Right here. No, I don't know. Oh, right there. Dude, I'm fucking, my hands are numb right now. He's not huge at all, but holy crap, bro. We didn't even grab the net, did we? Oh, dude, what a fucking fish, my friend.
He was on me too. Here, I got him.
Dude, that's a fucking caught bonefish.
Sight fish too. We almost doubled up. Get low.
Dude. That's so freaking
This is what we came here to do. There's a bunch around.
Oh my goodness,
Dude.
man.
That is what we came here to do. Nice bony, bro. We almost doubled up. That's why I was quiet, because he was on the tube.
That's one of the coolest fucking fish I've ever seen. Oh my goodness, dude.
There he goes. Hey,
Oh my
hey,
God.
put it there, bro.
Let's go.
Guys, that is what we came here to do.
That's it.
We almost doubled, but hey,
that was awesome, dude.
that was your first
said
bone.
let him.
I'm
Yes,
glad I was able to.
appreciate it, bro.
Hey, the hype.
Oh
Okay,
my goodness.
we're on here right now. We
Yeah.
were down here, but we're on
down
here.
But I was just like, I kind of just threw out an omen.
No, he's seen them.
No, I
There was
kinda
3
threw
of
one
them.
out. I just was like, hey, listen, like let there be bonefish.
We had perfect casts,
Oh, they were dimes.
guys.
I thought we were gonna double right
we
there.
almost doubled because he was.
They were
on
both.
me.
They were both right behind.
There was 3
it.
of them.
There's 3. There's
The
a
2
third
stuck together and 1 took off. Oh my gosh,
one.
guys.
Holy shit. The real question is
All right.
it fly 30? Do you want me to pull you?
No, I want to catch one
I heard that.
on the spin first. But
Holy shit, man. Holy crap. My line's just Christian right here.
what is it?
Coming across the flat.
What is it?
It looks like a big bone. It might be a big bone. You see it? Or are we just getting closer to it? Am I retarded?
Right there.
Oh,
It was.
it was a bone.
Hold on.
Yep. I'm not casting.
I lost him.
I don't see him anymore either.
All right, creeping on a different bonefish flat.
Everything. There's another one. Oh, there's 2, 3.
Wait.
Yep. Dude, those are studs.
Wait.
Yep, cast us. Yep, bring it in. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Turn on it. 3 studs, dude. 3 studs. They're gone. But then again, if they're back there, I mean, they'll be back here, that's for sure. Got some obstacles. I got this though. This will be my first. Tuna? Are we good? Yep. Oh, like I do before, bro. big boy Cuda. Like I do before. So we say no.
It'll help you. Oh, I like it right here if you can stay here. Alrighty guys, this is what we were in before. We were in the tarpon before. Yeah, we gotta celebrate
Yeah,
from this
dog.
first bonefish. Yeah, just give me a little bit of that. Woo! Woo!
That's some good stuff.
Here. Anyways, we were in the tarpon. We having some issues with the refrigerator beeping and the toilet bowl not flushing. So, they hooked it up. They gave us the big ass one. Check it out, guys. Check this one out. We got the boat right here, flats right there. Check this thing out. When I tell you this thing's epic, it's a big fifth wheel. I mean, look at the kitchen. Full-size fridge, big TV. Room right on the water. Another bed up top. Bathroom.
Bro, I can't believe
Another bed in here.
spit up
Woo. Good morning, the Florida Keys. See if we can get it done. One more fish. One more bonefish. Literally ankle deep. She's still blowing. But we're on the bonefish hunt. I mean, just look at it back here. Tell me you don't think there'd be some bonefish. Is that a big, huge tarpon? Right there?
Dude, I think it's a fucking cuda.
Yeah. Are you sure it's a cuda?
Gotcha.
What is that? Oh. Oh, it's a turtle. Sea turtle. Alrighty, guys. That is it. We grinded hard for 2 days. Well, I mean, we got a little bit of a break yesterday, but it's been 25 mile an hour the whole time. It's Sunday. It's about 12 o'clock. We got a 5-hour drive back home. We might stop at a few fly shops, get some grub on, but we got one bone. That's what we came down here for. We were on the bonefish hunt. So we got it. We seen probably, what do you say, a total of 16 or so?
I'd say we saw
little
10,
less.
probably saw 10 or 12 today in that school,
So-
and one more after.
But
Yeah.
it was tough conditions, and we're glad we even seen him. He got a good like 3-4 pounder, but we seen a few 9-pounders,
Oh, yeah.
upper 10. So we seen some giants. Gonna get us back here the next time. The camping was legendary. The whole thing was legendary. Can't wait to do it again for you guys.
Fired up, man. This one's big. Oh, no. This one's a big one.
That's a
Come on.
donker.
That's another big one.
Call it.